Have you ever wondered how it would be if you could print not just images but actual objects? Welcome to the magic of 3D printing, a groundbreaking technology that's transforming industries far and wide. Imagine a process where a solid three-dimensional object is created from a digital blueprint. Layer by layer, the object takes shape, right before your eyes. From the realm of the medical field to the world of fashion, this technology is redefining possibilities. Yes, it's not science fiction anymore, it's the reality of the 21st century. Welcome to the world of 3D printing. So, how did we get to this point where we can print objects at home or in industries? The seeds of 3D printing were sown back in the 1980s, under the less catchy moniker of rapid prototyping technology. This was the era that saw the birth of a process that could create tangible objects from digital designs, a concept that seemed almost fantastical at the time. As we moved into the 1990s, the technology took a leap forward with the advent of selective laser sintering and fused deposition modeling. These processes allowed for the creation of more complex structures, opening up a world of possibilities. But it was still a technology confined to the realms of industry and academia, far from the reach of the average consumer. Then came the 2000s, a decade that would see 3D printing burst onto the mainstream scene. Affordable desktop 3D printers started to appear in homes and schools, while online 3D printing services made the technology accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Suddenly, the power to create was no longer confined to factories and workshops, and the evolution didn't stop there. Recent advancements have pushed the boundaries even further, with the advent of metal 3D printing and bioprinting. Now, we can create everything from intricate jewelry to complex biomaterials like human tissue. From a niche technology to a household name, 3D printing has truly come a long way. So, how is this technology making a difference in our world today? Well, let's take a minute to appreciate the sheer breadth of impact 3D printing has on various sectors. From healthcare, where it's quietly revolutionizing prosthetics and implants, to the aerospace industry, where it's used to print intricate parts for aircraft and rockets, 3D printing is changing the game. It's rewriting the rules of manufacturing, making the process more efficient, less wasteful, and significantly more customizable. But it's not just about big industries. 3D printing is democratizing production, empowering individuals and small businesses by making manufacturing more accessible. You no longer need a massive factory to create and innovate, just a brilliant idea and a 3D printer. Indeed, 3D printing is not just a technology of the future, it's shaping our present in remarkable ways. Let's embrace this exciting era of innovation and see where this transformative technology takes us next.